Hey, what's going on, guys? So first video of the channel, figured I better introduce the car that you'll probably see the most. So my 2001 VXSS Commodore, manual, cams, loud, big exhaust. Look, in terms of the channel, I don't really know what we're going to have going on. So it's just a general life channel. I'm going to include some of the stuff from my car, some when I go away, when I go on holidays. Got another car I can show you as well. I don't quite know what the plan with this is yet. I'm still umming and ahhing on selling it, keeping it, getting rid of it, but I'll run upstairs, I'll grab the drone out, we'll get some shots and go from there. And then might even give you a nice drive clip on the way home. See how we go.
Mm-hmm.